Hi Ed, how's it going? Alright, well, I got this dude working, I think. Now let's see, here's the tray, right? Going down. Now coming up. It dumps. See, it dumps it into the hopper. Then I put it back down. I got this against it. I'm going to cycle it all the way down. And she's all the way down. Now I believe that wire right there, according to the schematics for the chute, the actuator, I want to maybe look at that one more. Ah, what the heck. I think that's what it's for. I'll find out. Where is it? No. Well, I'll find out one of these days. I'll look through it. Figure out where the rest of all this, I'll be able to open up the chute and have the thing dump in there. So the hardest part's done. Alright, see if you can find the roof, dude. Okay? Thing looks good. I cleaned it up. Alright, bye. Say hi to everybody.